Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FETCH.AI price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, in FET we were looking for a very consolidating prices the last week, and we were wondering why these prices are very consolidated. We cannot catch any bullish scenario or any bearish scenario, and it was not really clear for us what's going on. Of course, this finished triangle have seen, of course, a breakout lately, as you can see here, after a WXY, while your wave Y is, of course, the triangle, finishing, of course, this corrective wave, and then start to move towards the upside. As you can see, after finishing here, wave E, we have started to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation towards the upside. Now, I would consider, of course, this is as your wave 1 probably, and then you are looking for a wave 2 towards the downside again. Now, if we would take a look, of course, on the previous scenario that we were looking at, we were looking, of course, here for a 1, 2, and then, of course, after this, you would like to see another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Now, if we are still in this scenario and we have considered this an A, a B, and a C already finished, or WXY in this case, and not a diagonal, or in case that we have finished a short wave C, if you remember, as a running flat here. So we can start counting from here, right? So we can see a 1, a 2, already a bullish scenario, as of course a wave 1, a 2, and then you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3. And then for 5 towards the downside. Now, in this scenario, I prefer, of course, to keep it there. So it is still valid in case we want to consider that this is a W, X, and a Y, of course, in that case. And it is a corrective, or it is a finished wave. C was 5 ending diagonal waves, of course, for an expanding flat, which it was supposed to be as 3 waves down, 3 waves up, expanding flat, but it has turned into a running flat where your wave C has ended short and, of course, in the middle of your flat. And in that case, of course, we can move forward with our scenario here, where we probably have bottom for a wave 2 here, and we are looking definitely as well here for a W, X, and a Y. To explain much better, of course, we are looking probably to a zigzag down for W, zigzag up for the X, and then zigzag down for your wave Y. And in that case, of course, we can consider it as a corrective wave, and we can move forward with our bullish scenario. In that case, you would like to see, of course, even higher prices. Now, of course, we are looking for some red candles. That's very normal so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1 here. Very shallow wave 1, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, of course, we got a wave 2. And then 1, 2, 3. Now, your wave 4 here has interfered, of course, with your wave 1, which is not a wave 3. Therefore, it might be, of course, considered as double 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you have 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, of course, to finish a wave 3. By all means, if we would like to add these on our 1 hour chart, we would like to have the following labels. We have first a 1, a 2 here, small one, of course, 4, 5, 4, 5. We have another 1, a 2 here, 3, 3, 4, and a 5. And this one, of course, is even smaller. And let's put it in the orange. Here we go. And of course, for the bigger 1, 2 here, we have, of course, another 1, 2 here, and then we're looking at 3, 4, and a 5. This one, of course, is our minuet. Here we go. So, these are the scenarios. We are looking for higher NFT. All right, we are looking for higher so far. We are in a good bullish scenario where we have, of course, a 1, a 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Of course, we're looking for several 4, 5. But I would like to check one more thing here. Let me just move to the 1 hour chart. Before moving with this count, I would just like to check the healthiness. As you know, always I check it on the 1 hour chart. First of all, starting from here. So this is a lower low? Yes. Okay, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. interfering. So it's kind of like, yeah, contracting diagonal. Very weird one on the 1 hour chart. I mean, FET is not always clear, but yeah, it's fine here. So 2, here we go. This is your contracting diagonal. It's very choppy, but 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Wave 1, and then ABC, of course, for your wave 2, which it didn't took the low, right? Let us check. Just, it took the low. 1 second. Very, very important, by the way, to check always. Oh my God, how much close are we? Yeah. Okay, that's not nice, to be honest. That's not nice. I mean, of course, it's higher. This is a low, but it is not nice to see touching the 886 and moving impulsively. Yeah, that's very weird a little bit, but it's fine. So this is our wave 2, this is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's true. It is the yellow scenario is, or the yellow label is right here. We have a 1, 2, A, B, C. Okay, so we don't have a 1, 2 because this is the low. All right. Therefore, okay, the orange scenario is, yeah, is to be moved. 1, 2, and then 3. Yeah, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect for wave 3. 4 for your wave 4, and then 5. Now your wave 5 needs to be, of course, to be finished. It's not finished yet. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So we are still expecting, of course, a little bit higher here for a wave 5 in case we would like to finish this wave 3 in the yellow scenario. And of course, by finishing this yellow scenario and finishing a wave 5 in the yellow scenario, you might finish a wave 3 here, and then a wave 4, and then a wave 5 after it for your bigger impulse here. So let's go back to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, you can see as 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's very possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, so it depends, of course. If, yeah, I mean, to be honest, it doesn't look very big impulse. Yeah, it's very normal one. So yeah, it might finish just like that. Now your wave 4 here is very long in time, so even you expect to range longer here and then move up for your wave 5, guys. So yeah, that is some time required here as well, even to reach the $4 for FET. And of course, this is your expectation here for your wave 3. So yeah, with the new low here that we got, we have to update our target. So our target is $4.7. But basically, that was for wave 3, guys. Look, the only possibility is still to get higher is that you get an extended wave 5. Because you have here also a big wave 1 a little bit, and then 2, and then very short wave 3. It's not shorter than your wave 1, but it is still short. Yeah. So if we take the fib level, I think it is fairly short. I mean, I'm talking visually here, but I think, yeah, I'm just doing this daily. I already start to get used to it. So here we go. Yeah, it is short. So left. And yeah, so here is the thing. 1.27, yeah, is a very shy wave 3. Therefore, your trick here is to get an extended wave 5. If you get an extended wave 5, it means an extended wave 3 as well here, then that would be nice. Yeah, that would be nice. Your wave 4 is over there. Your wave 3, here we go. You finish your wave 3 exactly there. That would be a nice scenario. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the labels here for the next time, if possibly that we reach higher or extended wave 5. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep a question mark. Extended wave 5. Right, so let's see what's gonna happen. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.